Good morning. It is almost 8 o'clock on Monday morning, and this is what we're having. It's ground beef with some seasonings. I think it's got some Greek and some, I don't know, just total seasoning. It was the one with the green lid that I use, and not the adobo, the other one, and some salt. And that's what I'm having for breakfast this morning, and my protein coffee. Hey, I forgot to tell you this morning, I am down 2 pounds. I'm 181 pounds, so I am 13 away from goal of being just overweight. So 168 is my goal, so I'll be considered just overweight. Lunch today, let me flip you around. And supper is 6 ounces of pork. It was pork steaks and some Asian blend vegetables. I'm going to use the coconut aminos because I'm kind of going to try to stay away from the GU stuff just for a few days and see if that's what's causing my stomach problems. And I totally just eyeballed that, and that very well could have been too much, but I was too busy talking. So liquid aminos, and I add some sriracha. I'll weigh this one. There's a bad shadow over here because it's light. Let's see if I stand over here. All right, 5 grams of sriracha. Well, okay, 10 grams of sriracha. And yeah, so that's supper. Pork steak, 8 frozen veggies that I had just put in here. I never cooked them up or anything. I just put them in here while they're frozen, and it all defrosted together. So yeah, that's supper tonight. Have a good one. There's my macros for the day. Thank you for watching. Bye.